Dear students, in this class you are going to learn about organization of tissues. In the world, there are so many organisms are living. Among them, some of them are unicellular and some of them are multicellular. Unicellular means a living thing lead their life by its single cell. Example, bacteria and protozoa. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. These multicellular organisms have specialized cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems that perform specific functions. Now we see hierarchy. First one, cells. Cells are individual unit. Second one, tissues. Tissues are group of cells, they seen as clusters. Third one, organ. These organs are made by grouping of tissues. Finally, an organism will be produced. It is otherwise called as an individual. Let us see one by one. First one, cells. You will see the cell structure here. See the plant cell. It has many organelles. The cells are defined as the structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Structural unit means the cell only provides the structure for living things. Functional unit means these cells only perform all the functions that are necessary for their life. Then tissue. Group of cells positioned and designed to perform a particular function is called a tissue. Third one, organ. An organ is a structure made up of a collection of tissues that carry out specialized functions. Example, root, stem, leaf, flower and fruit, etc. The last one is organism. The definition of an organism is a creature such as a plant, animal, or a single celled life form, or something that has interdependent parts and that is being compared to a living creature. Every individual is said to be organism. Now I am going to explain about the plant tissues. Plants are made up of vegetative and reproductive tissues. In general, plant tissues are classified into two types, namely meristems or meristematic tissue. The other one is permanent tissues. The first one is meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue means that those cells which are having the capacity to divide again and again and produce new cells continuously, such cells are called meristems or meristematic tissues. If these cells are absent, we cannot expect the growth of the plant. The term meristem is derived from the Greek word meristos, which means cell division. Example, stem tip, root tip, that is apex of stem, apex of root, leaf primordia, vascular cambium, cork cambium, etc. Then we will see the characteristic features of the meristem. First, they are living cells that we know. Second one is the cells are small, oval, polygonal or round in shape. Then the third point is they are thin walled with dense cytoplasm and large nuclei, small vacuole, and they undergo mitotic cell division. They do not store food materials. Then we see the types of meristem based on the position. In this picture you can see the types of meristem. First one is apical meristem, that is located at the tip of the stem. The height of the plant will be obtained by this apical meristem. Then the intercalary meristem is located at the nodes. Then the lateral meristem is located laterally on the stem. Let us see one by one. First one, apical meristem. These are found at the apices or growing points of root and shoot and bring about increase in length of the plant. Then the intercalary meristem. It lies between the region of permanent tissues and is part of primary meristem. It is found at the base of the leaf, example pinus, or at the base of the internode, example grasses. Internode means the region between the two leaves. Then the lateral meristem. These are arranged parallel and cause the thickness of the plant. Here the width of the plant is increased by this lateral meristem. Then the last one is functions of meristem. Meristems are actively dividing tissues of the plant that are responsible for primary and secondary growth of the plant. Primary growth means the stem elongation. Secondary growth means the thickness of the plant. So all these growth is attained by this cell division only. That cell division is done by the meristematic tissue. Thank you.